Caleb Harker, Director of Agronomy at Pine Tree Country Club. We use the Pipehorn a lot, the high-low, both functions, mainly for locating irrigation heads. We love the Pipehorns because they're user-friendly. Really anybody can use them. It's not a lot of moving parts. You just turn it on and then use the horn to adjust the frequency and find what you're looking for. If we need to find pipe or wires between irrigation heads, what we do is set the transmitter on our irrigation head, make sure we're in high frequency on the Pipehorn. So we got our box in. I think our wire is somewhere in this area. So we're going to turn it on until we get a tone and then walk roughly 15 feet away from the box until we start to find signal. So the way we confirm that we know we got an accurate location is that tone took us directly to our next sprinkler head. So we know our wires and pipe are right in line with that. One thing we love about the Pipehorn is being accurate and thorough and avoiding wasting time. We know by locating with the Pipehorn, we're gonna find exactly what we need and be able to locate that area without disturbing more area than is needed.